Now listen.
Morning, this is Mark, this is Teacher Mark, and welcome to my channel. So it is all about accounting. So guys, let's get started. So our topic for today, guys, ay tungkol sa what is accounting, the branches of accounting, and users of financial information. Okay, class. So the definition of accounting is the systematic process of measuring and reporting relevant financial information about the activities of an economic organization or units. So its underlying purpose is to provide financial information, and it is capable of being expressed in monetary terms. Ano po ang tinatawag nating systematic process? So meaning to say, ang systematic process guys, mga besh, is the step-by-step procedure on how to measure and on how to report relevant financial information about the activities of the organization. So alam natin sa accounting, meron po tayong tinatawag na accounting cycle. So ano po siya ang accounting cycle? So ang accounting cycle po, meron po siyang step-by-step procedure kung paano po tayo gumawa ng papuntang financial statement or the end product of your accounting cycle. So the first step in your accounting cycle is to identify the transactions. And then, gagawa po tayo ng journal entries, the posting, the trial balance, and then the worksheets, and then adjusting journal entries, and your next is your financial statements, and then the closing the books, and then go back to the transaction. So ganyan lang po, class, ang tinatawag nating accounting cycle. Okay, so now what is the purpose of your accounting? So the purpose of your accounting is to provide financial information. So guys, ano ba ang mga tinatawag nating financial information? Bakit ba ito yung pinaka-purpose ng accounting? So, ang accounting, nagbibigay po siya ng financial information sa ating mga users of financial information. Sila po yung mga users like tayo, mga institutions, mga creditors, mga investors. So sila po yun ang nakikinabang sa mga financial information. Dahil class, 'di ba, ang end product ng ating accounting cycle ay ang financial statements. So ang financial statement, siya po ang nagpo-provide ng financial information. Ano ba ang mga financial statements? So we have income statement, or your statement of comprehensive income, the statement of financial position or your balance sheet, and the statement of changes in owner's equity or statement of owner's equity, and the statement of cash flows. So yan, mga besh, ang nagbibigay ng financial information sa ating mga users. So sino ang mga users? Okay, so tayo, mga investors, mga financial institutions. So yan po ang mga nakikinabang ng financial information ng ating accounting. Okay, so mga besh, anong example ng mga financial information? So example, pupunta tayo sa my income statements or the loss or the statement of comprehensive income. So sa income statement, makikita natin, class, doon kung may loss ba ang company or may income ba ang company. 'Di ba? So malalaman natin kung nalulugi ba ang company. Mas mainam ba diyang mag-invest? So ganyan lamang, class. Pa ng mga financial statements, so we have the statement of financial position or balance sheet. So anong purpose ng ating financial position or balance sheet? So it shows the financial condition or position of a business as of a given period. So it consists of assets, the liabilities, and the capital. So makikita natin dyan, mga besh, kung magkano or ilan yung mga assets ng company, liabilities, Marami ba siyang utang? And then the capital. Mga besh. Okay, so our next topic is about the different branches of accounting. So, sa accounting class, meron po tayong different branches. So, each branches, nagkakaiba po sila sa rene-render nila ng mga serbisyo. Okay, so we have here the financial accounting. So, it deals with a theoretical framework covering accounting principles and concepts. And also, it is used for decision making by both internal and external users. So, ang financial accountant, so sila yung gumagawa ng mga financial statements and ibinibigay nila ang mga financial information sa mga users like the internal and external users. So, anong tinatawag nating class na mga internal users and Okay, class, mga besh. So, ang mga internal users of accounting information ay ang mga investors, mga owners, mga stockholders, the management, the employees. At ang mga external users naman ay mga financial institutions or mga creditors, the government, and the potential investors. Internal users meaning to say sa loob, 'di ba? Internal. So sa business kung internal, so syempre ang owners ang nagmamay-ari, the management nagma-manage. So mga managers, 'di ba? So example pa yung mga employees, mga nagtatrabaho sa loob ng negosyo or business. So, ang external users of information naman class ay mga financial institutions. So, ano itong mga financial institutions na ito? So, ito yung mga nag-extend ng credit. So, ang mga financial information determine the capacity of the business organization to pay its obligations and their interest at the appropriate time. Okay, so, isa pa sa mga external users natin ay ang mga government. So, ang government, ginagamit ang financial information. It is important for tax purposes and in checking of compliance with Securities and Exchange Commission requirements. And next, external users ang potential investors. So, mga potential, mga bago na mga investors and creditors. So, before making an investment or extending ka-credit, ang mga potential investor creditors may not only be interested in the company's current financial position and results of operation, but also in the company's financial history. So, ang financial information, di ba, yung mga business, nagpapalabas sila ng mga financial statements. So, kung ikaw yung potential investor, so, titingnan muna natin ang financial history ng company. Mainam ba mag-invest dyan sa company na yan? Tutubo ba yung pera ko na i-invest ko dyan ng company? Diba? So, this should give them the assurance that their investment will yield a reasonable rate of return or ROI. Malaki bang ROI ko dyan? Return on investments. So, di ba, kung ikaw ang potential investor, hindi ka naman basta-basta mag-i-invest ng pera mo sa company na hindi mo naman siya alam. So, ganyan class, napakalaking bagay po talaga ang financial information or yung mga financial statements na inilalabas ng mga companies. Of accounting, we have the management accounting. So, it defines as the profession that involves in partnering in the management decision. Okay, next we have the government accounting. So it states that government accounting encompasses the process of analyzing, classifying, summarizing transaction involving the receipt and the disposition of government funds and property and interpreting the results. Okay, next we have also the auditing. So auditing is the examination and review of accounting reports in order to ascertain their fairness, property, and reliability. Next, we have accounting branches of accounting, the tax accounting. So tax accounting, tax services provided by the accountants include the preparation of monthly value-added tax, percentage tax, expanded withholding tax returns, quarterly and annual tax returns, and any other taxes applicable to business. Okay, so sila yung mga accountants na nagbibigay ng mga serbisyo, sila yung gumagawa ng value-added tax, mga percentage tax, expanded withholding tax returns, annual returns na ipinapasa sa may BIO. Okay, next we have the cost accounting. So it includes the collection, determination, allocation, assessment, interpretation, and control of cost of data, particularly the cost of production in a manufacturing. The accounting education involves planned grading and formal teaching in an educational system. Okay, kung graduate kayo ng Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at isa kayong Certified Public Accountant, so pwede po kayong pumunta sa accounting education. So sa accounting education, dito po nagtuturo sila ng mga learners na gustong mag-accountant. Kung gusto mo magturo, doon ka sa may accounting education. So ang accounting education, nagtuturo sila na sa educational system. So sa mga colleges and universities na nag-offer ng accounting courses. We have here the users of the financial information. So we have the internal users and then the external users. So sa internal users, meron po tayong investors, the management, and employees. So anong tinatawag nating investors? So syempre, sila yung mga nagpo-provide ng financial resources to keep the business going para magpatuloy po ang ating negosyo. So sila po yung nag-i-invest ng pera para mapatuloy po yung ating business. So sila po yung nagpo-provide. So sabi ko nga kanina, kung investor ka, syempre gusto mong malaman ang financial position ng company. Mag-i-invest ka ba or hindi ka mag-i-invest. So, it depends upon the stated amount of income on the investment. So, upon investment, they would want to know the financial position or results of operation of their business investment. So, kung investor ka, syempre, karapatan mong malaman kung may increase ba sa investment mo, may malaki ba ang rate of return mo or ROI, or rate of investments, rate of return on your investments. So, ganyan po mga best yung ROI. Siyempre, kung investors ka, gusto mong malaman kung nagpe-perform ba ng maayos ang company na naglagay ka ng pera. Okay, so next we have the management. So, organizational managers use financial information to set goals for their companies. So, ang mga managers, syempre, nag-i-evaluate sila ng progress ng company. Diba? Ginagamit nila ang mga financial data to guide for future management actions. Okay, next we have the employees. So, although the employees are not directly involved in the decision-making of the company, they are interested in the financial information of the company to determine if they have a future in the company. So, syempre, kung employees ka, so dapat mo ring malaman kung ano ang financial position ng company mo. So baka nalulugi na, so baka hindi ka na maswelduhan ng nagsusweld ng negosyo mo, di ba? Or yung may-ari, hindi ka na maswelduhan. So as an employee, dapat mo ring malaman kung ano ba talaga, nagpe-perform ba ng maayos ang negosyo. Baka hindi ka na maswelduhan, di ba? Next, we have the external users. So, you have the financial institutions, the government, and then the potential investors or creditors. So, external users, financial institutions. So, before extending credit, financial institution use financial information to determine the capacity of the business organization to pay its obligation and their interest at the appropriate time. So, syempre, hindi naman basta-basta nagpapautang ng pera ang financial institution kung hindi niya nalalaman ang financial position ng company na mangungutang sa kanya. So dapat, 'di ba, sa bangko kung mangungutang tayo, dapat meron tayong 5 C's of credit. Your capacity, 'di ba? Your credibility, kung ano ang yung collateral, 'di ba? Diyan tinitingnan mga pareha rin po yan ng financial institution. So, gusto nilang malaman yung financial position ng company before sila magpapautang ng pera. Okay, so next we have the government. So, financial information is important for tax purposes and in checking of compliance with Securities and Exchange Commissions. Okay, number 3, we have the potential investors or creditors. So, syempre, kung potential investor ka, so dapat mo ring malaman ang financial information ng company na paglalagyan mo ng pera. Syempre, hindi tayo basta-basta nag-i-invest ng pera kung hindi natin alam ang financial position ng ating company na paglalagyan ng pera. So, as a potential investor, dapat nating malaman kung nagpe-perform ba ng maayos ang company na paglalagyan natin ng pera. Nalulugi na ba? Malaki ba ang kita nila? So, yan yung mga katanungan mo kung isa ka sa mga potential investors at creditors ang nagpapautang. Siyempre, kung creditors, kung nagpapautang ka, so dapat mong malaman ang company na papautangin mo. Di ba? Kasi kapag wala silang capacity na magbayad ng pera or magbalik ng pera mo, so ikaw pa rin ang malulugi. Mawawalan ka ng pera. So dito lamang po nagtatapos ang ating discussion about what is the definition of accounting, the branches of accounting, and the users of financial information. So mga besh, sa susunod kong mga videos, so paki-watch na lang po ang sunod kong videos about accounting. So bye mga